She's over here filling out a gallon of Tuba. 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 Wow. They're selling these too? It's like a fish pond in there. Tuba right here for sale. 1 liter. I don't know, 1 gallon. Pila the gallon? 100 the gallon. No, that's a lot. Uno que trae ese güey. Mickey. Coconut wine. Damn. It's better she just buy a funnel, no? It takes forever. Almost, almost. Still not done. She's almost done right there.
Gagmay naman itong bitsin, tag 5. Pila?
You too high.
100.
I'm gonna get my 20 pesos, eh? I'm gonna put them right here. What's up? And got 20 pesos right here for some tube. Yeah, they got these for sale too. There's people passing by. Let's see what else they got. Oil. They got some oil, spring onion. Looks like it's mongoose. Dry fish right here. Oh yeah, they got some dry fish for sale. Look, oh, that's pretty good. They got some more. Aquí tienen más pescado seco, mira. Todo este dry fish, dry fish. I think they're ready to go. They're bagged up. There's more right here. More right here. Everything is on the side of the road for sale. Huh? Which one I want? There's like 20 dogs right there. Oh, and then they got well, tomato and everything. Look, and then oil, peanuts.
You want more gold?
Yeah.
Where did you grab that?
Ah, it's my money.
Still money from my pocket, eh?
Still money. Get to work. Get to work. Give me my two bag. My two bag. And then just right here now. Hey, that's not full all the way. You're cheap.